Hey guys, it's your girl, Lady Lydia, and I have a delicious strawberry bread recipe for you. It is so easy to make. You can actually make it in under 5 minutes. Now, of course, that's preparation. However, baking will take a little bit longer, but as soon as it is done, you can take it out and devour it. Honey, look, this cake is so delicious. So, without further ado, please consider subscribing and let's get into it.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more. voice carry the winds, drown out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin?
Now that we've have our batter mixed together, we're going to add in 2 cups of diced strawberries. Now, I put 2 tablespoons of flour and I mix it over the strawberries. This helps the strawberries not to float to the bottom of the batter when it's baking in the oven. So, once you dice up your strawberries, I did a rough dice, so they were small, but they were not uniform, if that makes any sense. So I added it in little at a time, stirring it into the batter just to help you and make sure all of it is incorporated. But yeah, it's about 2 cups of diced strawberries.
So I listen for that inner voice. It carries the wind, drowns out the rain. But will it make sense without the pain? Will color me blue, tickle me pink. Who knew that at the brink of the end, life could begin? I know there's so much trauma, but try search inside my love. Carried the winds, drowned out the rain. It'll make sense after the pain. Will color me blue, then tickle me pink. 'Cause who knew that at the brink of the end, life would begin again?
Okay, so now that you have the batter into the pan, what I did is I sprinkled a few strawberries on top of the batter just to kind of help it pop a little bit. I had a few left over that I made for my glaze. Now, you're going to put it into a 350-degree oven for about 1 hour or until it is golden brown. Okay, now always test your cakes. You can test it with a toothpick in the middle of the batter and make sure that it comes out clean and you are ready to take it out. How delicious and beautiful and golden brown this strawberry cake looks. Guys, you have to make this. My kitchen smells so good. It's just such a beautiful, sweet smelling aroma, and you can smell the strawberries. It smells so delicious. So we're gonna let this cool, and we're gonna go ahead and taste this. Guys, as you can see, I decided to go ahead and add this strawberry glaze on top of this strawberry bread. Oh, and it looks so delicious. Now, mine's, you can make it as thick as you want or as thin as you want. Here is the recipe. So, yeah, the thicker you want it, you can add more powdered sugar, and yeah, go from there. And, you can gradually add in the heavy cream. So, yes, we're going to go ahead and give this a taste. I really appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you all take care.